Hey there! Today we're going to walk through how to build a habit tracker screen using the Ionic Design Kit. If you're designing a productivity or wellness app, this kind of screen is super useful. Let's keep it simple and get right into it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Feel free to pause this video anytime if you need a closer look at something. Alright, let's talk about the habit tracker screen. You know, the one where users check off their daily goals and try to keep that streak going? It's not just a checklist, it's what keeps people coming back every day. So yeah, getting this screen right really matters. How do we do that without overcomplicating things? Simple. Use the Ionic Design Kit. It's packed with ready-to-use components straight from the Ionic framework. Designers can just drag and drop. Developers? No need to build anything from scratch. It's all there, clean and ready, so you can move fast and stay focused on the user experience. Remember, you can find all the code snippets over on our website, so you're never left hanging. Ready to level up your Ionic projects? Explore intuitive design and smooth development with the Ionic Design Kit. Build smarter, faster, better. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more practical guides. See you in the next video.